What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life on a 2022 Chevy Corvette. Like I said, this is a 22 Corvette in the video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So you'll need the vehicle running to do this, and then we're going to be using the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel here. And I'm going to focus in on the dash, but just so you know what I'm pressing, if I'm pressing left or right, and then with this, I'm scrolling this ball up or down or clicking it in, okay? So these two buttons and then this ball will be the only things that we're gonna be using. So depending on what screen you're starting from, you'll need to scroll left or right, and you wanna go over until you have maintenance highlighted. And once we have this screen highlighted, we're gonna press our scrolling ball in, click that, and then we'll have this screen highlighted, and we want to reset the engine oil. So once that's highlighted, we're gonna click in again, and it's just saying, would you like to reset the values now? And we'll click one more time, and that's it. Sets it back to 100%. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.